Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on the spinner. Yeah. Woohoo! Alright. Like that. Oh, it came out. Was not the best. Fat fish. Nice. Nice. Alright, nice little 2.5 pounder. Let's go. Yeah. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Feels big. Right. Bigger than the last one. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Take a look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Look at that. Ooh. Come on now. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's get a weight on this one. This out. Weight on it. Oops. 4 pounds, 9 ounces. 4 pounds, 9 ounces. Yeah, 4.5 pounder. Nope. It's like 18 and 3/4 for a 4.5 pounder. It's a fat fish. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Woo. Yeah. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Nice. All right. All right. That's a big one. That's a big fish. Woo. Open the lip like that. Pretty strong. Pretty strong. Yeah. Not coming out too easy. Weigh it. £3 pounds, 5 ounces. 3 pounds, 5 ounces. 3-pounder, almost 3.5. Beautiful looking fish. Yeah, beautiful looking fish. There we go.